Deadly wildfires force thousands from homes. Emergency crews on Tuesday struggled to contain deadly wildfires that have scorched hundreds of square miles of land in 4 states and forced thousands of people to flee their homes ahead of the wind-whipped flames. The fires were burning in parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, and Colorado, and warnings that fire conditions were ripe were issued for Iowa, Missouri, and Nebraska, as powerful thunderstorms moved through the nation's midsection overnight, spawning dozens of tornadoes, according to the National Weather Service. The fires have killed at least 4 people. In Kansas, wildfires have burned about 625 square miles of land and killed 1 person. The Kansas Highway Patrol said tractor-trailer driver Corey Holt, of Oklahoma City, was killed Monday when his rig jackknifed as he tried to back up because of poor visibility on Highway 34 in Clark County, which is on Kansas' southern border with Oklahoma. He succumbed to smoke after getting out of his vehicle.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.